Going on with viruses here. Um, Viruses can cause diseases in plants, animals, fungi, protists, and bacteria. Um, Here is a virus that infected these pumpkins. I'm pretty sure you've seen pumpkins like this with the little wart-looking things on them. That is due to a virus. Preventing viruses. There's no medications you can take to cure a virus. Um, there's no way to kill a virus just because it's kind of not a living thing. It's not. It's kind of hard to explain. I kind of think of a virus as if you ever seen a movie where someone hijacks a plane or a car. Okay, it's not their car, but they hop in and take over, start driving it. So a person will hop in the car, and the car will then do what it wants it to do. That's kind of what a virus is. It kind of hijacks cells. And there's no like magical pill or anything that will kill a virus or cure a virus. But there are some things that will make it better. Some viruses can be prevented by using a vaccine that will not completely prevent the virus, but keep drastically reduce not only your chances of getting it, but of feeling large symptoms. A vaccine, a lot of vaccines, and not all of them, but a lot of vaccines are made up of dead or weakened virus particles that can no longer cause disease. So what happens is if you get sick with something, okay, your body, after you get sick and then your body wins and you get better, your body will remember how to defeat the thing that it got sick with. So if you take chicken pox, let's say chicken pox, for example. A lot of you guys were probably vaccinated with chicken pox, okay? If you are not, then what happens is you got the chicken pox, your body defeated it, and it remembers how to defeat it. So if I had the chicken pox and I come in contact with someone else who currently has chicken pox, okay, my body might get some of those chicken pox particles in my body, but my body will not get chicken pox because it remembered how to defeat them. So, with some vaccines, what they're made up of is dead particles from a virus, or if it's bacterial, your body will then defeat those weakened particles, and it will remember how to defeat them, and you will not get that disease again. And your body will build up resistance to those particles. Examples, smallpox. Everyone, if you get vaccinated, you get smallpox. Vaccinations, that's a common one. Polio. Polio and smallpox were a huge thing. If you ever play the Oregon Trail thing with Mr. DeWitt, a lot of people on there die of smallpox. Like Jimmy got smallpox and died, and you have to bury him or whatever. Polio was another common one. No one gets these diseases really anymore because everyone's gotten the shots. So like you get the polio shot, which is like a crippling disease. Like FDR, Franklin Roosevelt, had polio and he was in a wheelchair and he walked weird and things like that. Because he had polio. No one gets polio anymore because we get vaccinations. Some of you maybe get the flu shot. That's the thing with like a flu shot is there's a lot of strands of flu, so the flu shot isn't as productive as like the smallpox and polio vaccination because there's many strands of flu. So if I get a shot for flu, well, my body might not be completely prepared to get this slightly different strand of flu. So those are some examples. Are there good viruses? Some viruses can be changed by scientists so they bring good DNA into cells. Things like DNA gene therapy will use a virus to bring in decent DNA. Since viruses can get into cells fairly easily, they can be used to insert good genes or DNA into the cell that has mutated DNA. Let's call that good.